Greetings, friends. As always, it's an extremely high honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. What you see before you are my Steelman chassis ears. Yes, I use the word plural. I have two sets. I have this light gray set and this black set. And you've seen me review these on my channel. Now, I want to say from the outset that I accept no promotional fees for the tools and products I review on my channel. Every product or tool I've ever reviewed on my channel, I've paid for with my own money, just as you would have to, and such is the case with these. I bought both of these with my own money. Now, I've been overwhelmingly positive about the Steelman chassis ear. I think it's a great tool. However, I've come across an issue that I think you should be aware of before you purchase one of these. Now, the reason I have two sets is this is the set I originally bought. It's set number 97202. And I demonstrated on my channel. It worked great. But unfortunately, I used it about a year and a half ago. I did not secure transmitter 1 and 2 properly. You can see 1 and 2 are missing. I no longer have them. They were damaged. And so I thought, okay, not a big deal. I'm out a few bucks. They're about 30-40 bucks a piece for the transmitters. I'll just order 2 replacements. Well, as it turns out, they had been discontinued. They were no longer available. What was available now is unit 60635, this light gray unit you see here. And it said in the website that the transmitters of this unit are not compatible with this newer unit. So I bit the bullet. I liked the thing so much I went out and bought a whole nother set. Now these come with only 4 transmitters. I actually purchased the 2 optional transmitters, number 5 and 6 with this unit. And I've been using it. It's intact. I've been a little more careful how I secure the transmitters. And it's worked great. So just for the fun of it, I just used them. And I said, what if I had damaged one? Are they still available? So I went on to the Steelman website. This unit has been discontinued and all of these transmitters have been discontinued. They're no longer available. They've come up with a new unit, 61082, which is now black again. And it says on the website that this new unit, 601082, is no longer compatible with this unit, the 97202, or the 60635. So it seems like every couple of years they come up with a new unit, make it a different color, and make it not compatible with the older units. Now it's absolutely identical. The new unit, the 601082, which is now available, is absolutely identical to these, except for instead they went from the black to the gray, now the gray back to the black. But they give it a different part number and they make it not compatible with the older units. So that's what I want to caution you about, friends. If you decide to buy one of these, be very careful how you hook up these transmitters, because you may not be able to get replacements for them. You may wind up having to buy a whole nother unit like I did. I could see if they were actually improving the unit, coming up with a new model, but they're not. They're absolutely identical. All they do is change the color of them and change the frequency, so you can't get replacement transmitters. Now this 601082, the replacement transmitters are still available, but for how long? So anyway, I just wanted you to be aware that if you do buy their new model, it's a limited amount of time that they're going to be able to provide the replacement transmitters based on their history. So that's all I've got, friends. Before I go, I'll post 2 videos to your left. They will most likely be my review of these 2 units. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my very trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe. So thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.